Well, good day, everyone. My name is Matt Sowder with Mosaic, Director of Field Solutions. I've had the honor for more than 2 years to work with several people across the country in a program we call Frontier Fields. And today, we're going to have a chance to visit with several of those guys. I'm going to start with Harmon Wiltz. Harmon, you were on last season as well for us. Welcome back. Quick introduction and a little background, please, sir.
Certainly. Thank you very much. Happy to be back. Our farm is in we call Eastern Swift County up in Minnesota, about 2 hours west of Minneapolis, St. Paul. We grow about 1,700 acres, split between corn, soybeans, and sugar beets.
One of our very first participants in the program, and that is Dave Schrock from Indiana. Dave, welcome back. It's great to see you again.
Thank you, Matt. Well, we farm in north central Indiana. Farm about 5,000 acres, and it's mostly corn with my son, my daughter, and a couple of really dedicated employees.
And then last but certainly not least, it's a guy named Jeremy Fairbanks. Jeremy, welcome to the team. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
We farm here in south central Nebraska, Geneva, Fillmore County, south and west of Lincoln, about 60 miles. My operation consists mostly of food grade white corn. We grow some seed corn and then soybeans. I started trialing BioPath, I think 3 years ago. We kind of took it slow the first year and tried it. And for the last 4 years, we've had major wind and hail storms that have come through 95% of our operation. So we haven't gotten to grow tremendous corn or anything lately. It definitely showed major advantages. There was a little bit of yield advantage that year, but like I said, it was damaged enough that it was hard to get a lot of good information on the yield side, but we definitely saw stock quality was better, root development and everything was really nice and good.
Dave, you've obviously been in this for a couple of years now, and you mentioned that you're using BioPath even today.
Yep.
And I'm curious how you adapted the use.
Yeah, actually, in 2025, it was our side dress application, a wide drop at about V6 to V8, that actually had the best ROI for us. We do weekly tissue tests on our high production corn, and if you watch the nitrogen curve, it's really pretty good early, and then it wants to kind of fall off. What we're finding is there's a big correlation between the potassium number and the nitrogen numbers. So as we can hold those both higher, we're getting a lot better nitrogen use efficiency. So for us, it looks like we'll be maybe moving a little bit toward a mid-season application versus an in-furrow.
We started out doing an in-furrow with the planter, and that's pretty much all I've done. I white drop also all of my food grade corn, and like I said, when we first started this, I don't jump in whole hog on anything. BioPath was probably one of the products that I did a little bit the first year, and the second year we blanketed the whole farm.
Last year we did 2 very small trials in 2 different fields. One was north of town and one was south of town. This year we actually are buying BioPath, and we're expanding those trials to a lot larger parts of a couple of different fields to really get some good data. It looks like evolving in our operation will be the side dress piece of it.
So Jeremy, you're looking at a new product for us in 2026. That product is a residue management product that is a little bit asymmetrical from an in-season direct application for nutrient use efficiency.
We are 100% strip till here, but before we do that, we run a VT machine over our corn acres just to help cut up a little bit of residue. Our residue is definitely something that we're dealing with and trying, because my main thing is we got to have a clean seed bed when we pull through with the planters. If this actually works, we can probably save a pass by not having to go out VT before I go through with the strip till machine. I save some dollars there. It gives us the nutrient package we need to start moving forward. So I've got high hopes for it, and I hope it works like what we hope it will.
When we think about success, what needs to go right over the next 3 weeks for you to say you've accomplished your mission between now and the 1st of May?
Well, the first thing that could really help us out is if we could get a little bit of rain. Our fall strips are definitely not in great planting conditions right now. The soil's loose. The subsoil moisture is not really there. I'm really starting to think about turning the pivots on and putting 3/4 of an inch out there before we go plant. In a perfect world, we get an inch of rain and then go to the field and plant, but everything's in pretty good shape other than we're just dry.
We're quite opposite here. We do need to dry up, warm up. There's a lot of ponding here still. But if we get that out of the way, planters are ready to roll. We'd like to, within 2 to 3 weeks, have some seed in the ground. Everything is ready to go. So we just need the weather to turn.
You know, we're sitting pretty well, actually. We've got some rain here about a week and a half ago. We had a little snow this morning. We have plenty of moisture at this point. We just need it to warm up and dry up a little bit. That's kind of where we're at this position. All the plans are in place, the hybrids, the trials, most of all of our fertilizer all the dry fertilizer went on last fall, so we're sitting good. Right now, I'd say we're set up looking at the soil moisture, soil conditions to have really an optimal year if we can warm up and get the crop in time.
Outstanding. Well, best of luck to all 3 of you. Best wishes for you, not just your planting season, but the entire crop year. This has been great, guys. Always enjoy it. It's a lot of fun.